So sir, ano yung stand ng military on that issue?
Anyway, what happened in Paradise Imbak were all legitimate encounters. And we stand on it. We have reports, we have everything, we have evidences for that. Kung namin, if they have any claim, they just prove themselves naman and have an investigation, an independent body na mag-imbestiga doon para ma-prove din nila yung allegation nila. The 10th Infantry Division is very much willing naman kung ano man suportahan yung move nila para makita natin kung ano talaga ang katotohanan na nangyari doon sa loob ng Paradise Imbak na yan.
Pero yung ano sa tingin nyo, would the military accede to the recommendation of the City Council to transfer that particular unit outside of Davao City?
Hindi natin ma-assess yan. The military cannot assess for that, but on our mandate, we have to secure the area knowing na haven yan talaga ng mga bandidong NPA, and we have to secure that mandate namin kasi ang insurgency, so we have to stay there. However, kung anong magiging resolution ng city na paalisin kami, it would be a contested one because the area is insurgency haven yan eh. So hindi pwedeng iwanan yan ng Philippine Army.